Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to lock story on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to lock story on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app. Now guys, in order to lock a story, that means guys you'll be creating or making a private story on Snapchat. So in order to do that, first you'll be required to make a group of certain people who will be able to see your private story. So in order to do that, at the top left corner of the screen, tap on your Bitmoji icon, and after landing on this page, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on settings icon. And after landing on this page guys, scroll down until you can see there is the new private story option available for us under the category my stories. Tap on new private story guys, and over here you will be able to add the group or make the group where you will be adding your story. So let's click on them and let's tap on create story, and you can see guys you will be required to rename story if you don't want to, but if you don't want to, tap on save. Let's cancel this and let's wait, and let's create story and let's tap on save. And guys, you can see guys the group has been created over here, and now you can add a story from here. You can see guys I'll just be hiding the camera. To do that guys, let's go back, and after you tap on this private, you can see this is the private story mode. If you tap on it and tap your memories, you can see your camera roll, and you can also tap on the top right corner, you can see to make a story. And if you can see guys I have taken a dark snap or just for a demo purpose. Now the moment you tap on the bottom right corner of the screen where it says this private story, similarly it will be on your name, on your account's name I guess. Tap on it and that story on Snapchat will be locked. Or similarly, let's go back, let's discard this, let's back this up. Now in order to lock story from on Snapchat, from over here, take story, and over here guys tap on send to, and over here you can see there is the student's private story which we just created, the group on which our story will be shared, but it will be private for everybody and it will be locked. So let's tap on it, and after you tap on the blue tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen, that story will be shared on Snapchat, but that will be locked. So this is how to lock a story on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.